Assalamu alaikum and good evening, my dear brother and sisters. I hope you will be fine, and I welcome you once again after a long time. But we try our best. Now we regularly upload lessons on this YouTube channel, inshallah. So today in this lesson, we are going to learn how sentences are made in German language. This is a very important because the students find the difficulty to make sentences, my dear brothers and sisters. And now we will teach you with the easiest method to make sentences in German language. So first of all, you have to remember sentences are made in German language with German verbs. Okay, so this is the easiest way to learn sentences making sentence making in German language. Okay, for example, you can see here one verb. This is a one verb, kaufen. This is a one verb, and all verbs are more written with en, ending all verbs having en. For example, kaufen, gehen, spielen, machen, suchen, nehmen, fahren. Okay, all verbs mostly have en in the end of ending with en. All verbs, Okay. Now we make sentences in present tense now. Okay, look how what so you have to do. For example, we are making in present tense now. Okay, in present, what you have to do? For example, if you say for example, ich kaufe. Okay, ich kaufe eine schöne Blume. Okay, schöne Blume. Genau. Okay? Ich kaufe eine schöne Blume. It means I buy or I am buying a beautiful flower. Okay? I am buying a beautiful flower. Okay? So what you have to do with the ish subject, if you have a subject ish, what you have to do? Okay, for example, you have just to remove to n from the verb, and you just write e with every verb. Not okay. Ich gehe, ich mache, ich spiele, ich suche, ich nehme. Okay, did you understand? With every verb, you have to just write e, or in German say a. Okay, just e. Ich kaufe eine schöne Blume. Okay, did you understand? Okay, now if we have a subject Beispiel du, okay, with the du you have to remove en, okay. Beispiel you write a kauf, and with the en you write here st, okay, du kaufst, okay, you write here du kaufst. You don't write en of the verb, but you write st instead of en, okay. With every verb, yes, with every verb. So du kaufst. Was okay? Now we can make a complete sentence. Du kaufst einen frischen Apfel. Du kaufst einen frischen Apfel. Okay? You buy or you are buying a fresh apple. Yes, you are buying a fresh apple. You are buying or you buy a fresh apple. Did you understand? Okay. And you can make any sentence. By so you can say du kaufst eine schöne Blume. Okay. What it's up to you. What do you want to write? Beispiel. Ich kaufe einen frischen Apfel. I am buying a fresh apple. Okay. Now then, if you have a subject er, or if you have a subject z, or if you have a subject s. Okay, if you want to make sentence with er, z, or the s. So what we have to do? We have to write any verb of don't write en, we write te. Okay, with every verb, my dear brothers, with every verb. Okay, so what is kauft? Okay, when you have subject er, z, or the s, so you have to write always te with the ending with te. Not write en, but you have to write te instead of en. Okay, so now we can write a sentence here. Kauft, or the z kauft, or the s kauft. Okay, AZS, you know that. He, she, oder it. You know that. Kauft, was kauft er? Kauft eine warme Jacke. Eine warme Jacke. Okay, did you understand? Kauft, he buys or he is buying a warm jacket. You can translate this one. Okay. Now, if we have a subject wir, okay, wir, I mean we buying, where we buy. When you have subject wir, you have to write the full verb with en. So you will write here, wir kaufen. Was kaufen wir? Wir kaufen ein neues Auto. Genau. Wir kaufen ein neues Auto. We are buying a new car. Okay? Good. And when you have a subject ihr, Beispiel, if you have a ihr, what's mean ihr? You all, Beispiel, okay? You all kauft, ihr kauft. And when you have subject ihr, so you have also write te instead of en. Beispiel, as we did in AZS te, and here we also say kauft. You all buy. Ihr kauft. Okay, eine große Tasse. Eine große, okay, und Tasse. Genau. What's meaning of this? You all buying a big cup. Cup, you know, tea. Any cup, you mean any cup of tea. You can say that. Any cup of coffee, cup, you know. Okay, in English we say cup. Okay, and in German we say Tasse, die Tasse. Okay, ihr kauft eine große Tasse. You all buy a big cup. Genau. Okay. Now look at this. The last sentence you have to carefully look. You have to watch here when, yes, we can write here. If we have a subject sie or with capital S sie, okay, this when it means when we have sie with they, okay, and when you say sie with capital S, you say you formal sie, okay, Sie kaufen ein tolles Geschenk. Sie kaufen, okay, we will write verb with the full form, en, okay? Sie kaufen ein tolles Geschenk. Okay, what did you write? Sie kaufen, okay, they buy, or you formal buy ein tolles Geschenk. You are buying Beispiel, you buy a great, tolles means great gift. Okay, so my dear brothers and sisters, how sentences, it's a very easy to make sentences in German language, really. Okay, so in present tense we have learned how sentences are made in German language in present tense. In present tense we just conjugate this change of verb is called conjugation. Yeah, what is called? This is called conjugation of sentence verb, na? So you can write here conjugation, yeah? Conjugation, C-A-T-I-O-N, conjugation. Okay, this is a conjugation. Okay, ich eat, we do ST. Okay, this is conjugation. And just you have to remember, when you have subject is, you always write E. Okay, when you have subject do, you always write ST. When you have subject AZS, you will write te. Genau. If you have subject wir, you will write with full verb en, kaufen Beispiel. Every verb. Okay, this is a formula, this is the way of making sentences with all sentences, my dear brother and sisters. When you have ihr, means you all buy with your desired te of every verb. Okay, eine große Tasse. Genau. And if you have subject of sie with the they, okay, with the small s, and if you have with the capital S, sie formal, yeah, you formal. Kaufen ein tolles Geschenk. They or you formal buy a great gift. You buy a great gift, or you're buying a great gift. Alles klar. So thank you. So this is a way of making sentences in present tense manner. So we will continue with inshallah upcoming lessons. We will continue few lessons with the how sentences make in present tense. Then we will learn in perfect, in future, in modal verb, and as well as we will continue inshallah. So thank you very much for watching. And before going for upcoming important videos, don't forget to subscribe. Have a nice time and take care, dear friends.